Keeping your LIZN Hearpieces charged is simple and efficient, designed to fit into your routine effortlessly. Let's begin by confirming that the hearpieces are placed correctly in the charger. The right in the right side and the left in the left side. The magnetic connection ensures they charge securely. Next, connect the USB-C cable to the charging port on the case by using a USB power adapter. The LED indicators on the case, as well as the two LED indicators inside the charger, will light up to show charging status. The amber light indicates 0 to 80% battery status. The green light indicates 80 to 100% battery status. A full charge from 0 to 100% may take up to 2 hours using a cable, but under normal usage, charging for about a half an hour should be sufficient. The LEDs provide a clear indication of both the hearpieces and the charging case's battery levels, so you always know how much power you have. For added convenience, the charging case also supports wireless charging, allowing it to double as a portable power bank. This makes it easy to recharge on the go, without the need for any cables. You can also monitor your hearpieces' battery levels directly from the LIZN app. But keep in mind that the battery status is only visible when the hearpieces are not in the charging case, as they disconnect from Bluetooth while charging. Portable and reliable, your LIZN hearpieces stay charged and ready wherever your day takes you. LIZN. Be present.